Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you another silhouette blackout glow effect. This is a more different look. It's a really cool visualizer that you could use for your music videos. Easy to use, no plugins. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. Upload your clip onto Premiere Pro. First thing you need to do is go to your Lumetri color. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our basic correction. First thing I'm going to do is go to my saturation and I'm going to bring that all the way down. I'm going to go to my contrast. As it's kind of like a quite high contrast look, we're going to drag that all the way up to 100%. We're going to take our highlights all the way up to 100%. Going to bring our shadows all the way down. We're going to bring our whites all the way up, as we want a lot of high visible things to show. And we're going to bring the blacks all the way down, okay? What I'm going to do as well, which is going to look a bit mad, is I'm going to up the exposure all the way as well. So I'm going to take this up to 5. It doesn't look what it needs to look like right now. But yeah, this is part of the process. So yeah, next thing I'm going to do now is we're going to go straight to my curves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create more of like a S. So I'm going to click near the top where my highlights are. And I'm going to kind of drag it up. Let's just say kind of like that. And then I'm going to do the same with my shadows near the bottom. And I'm going to drag this kind of down like that, as you can see. And then you can see it's giving you kind of that raw kind of effect already in the image. Next thing you need to do is go to your effects, and I'm going to type in Lumi key. I'm going to drag that on my video, and then I'm going to go to my effects panel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease my threshold to 0, and I'm going to increase my cutoff to 100. And there you go, my people. This is how you do this cool silhouette glow effect in Premiere Pro. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.